Skylin? No. I'll let you pick. I'll let you open one present tonight. It's not that present. It's something else. I think you'll like it. Okay? Just one tonight and then the rest tomorrow for Christmas. This one's from me. What?
Haribo's.
You need some.
And this is what I get to open.
Yeah?
Nene!
No.
Yes! You have to open Haribo's.
It was a present. Do you like them?
Yes.
Well, good.
But I wanted to open something else. Why can't I open that one? I want to open this one.